In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your divider color in Notion. Notion doesn't give us a direct setting to pick a color for the built-in divider block, but there's a clever workaround using equations that lets you create a colored line that works like a custom divider. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own page. First, open the Notion page where you want to customize your divider. Click into the page and start by typing a / followed by the word equation. As you type, Notion will show you a list of options. This is how we access the math equation feature that we'll use to generate a colored line. From the list that appears, make sure you click on Inline Equation. This is important. The inline option keeps the equation on the same line as your text, instead of creating a separate, larger block. Using an inline equation gives us a clean, simple line that looks much more like a divider and fits nicely into your layout. Once you've inserted the inline equation, you'll see a small box where you can type. This is where you'll enter the code that creates your custom divider. The idea is to use LaTeX, which is the formatting language Notion uses for equations, to draw a horizontal line and style it with a color. Type in the code exactly as you want it, paying attention to any slashes, brackets, or symbols. Even a small typo can cause the equation not to render, so take a moment to double check what you've entered. As you type, you'll see a live preview of your equation. When your code is correct, it will turn into a line that can act as your divider. If it doesn't look the way you expect, simply click back into the equation box and adjust your code until you're happy with the result. You can experiment with different styles or variations until the line matches the look you're going for. When you're satisfied with how your divider looks, click on Done. This tells Notion you're finished editing the equation and locks it in place on your page. Now you have a custom colored divider created entirely from an inline equation. You can drag it around, duplicate it, or place it between sections just like any normal divider, but with the added benefit of your own visual style.